Hey guys, making a quick update on a talk that Guzmanek had said, so enjoy. Data map release estimated for early 2025. Over the past 3 months, the DPI team has conducted 4 full server testing sessions on the data map with the help of some members from the community. These early rounds of testing have been invaluable in helping us find and fix a variety of minor issues with the map, as well as identify and prioritize what areas of the map needed more attention. Testing with community members has also revealed some additional changes we feel should be made to backend systems and various aspects of the overall gameplay/progression balance in order to have a smooth release. In order to complete this Polish work and have some time to spend with our families over the holidays, we are now targeting late January or February 2025 for the data map release. Regardless, I am happy to report that the community members have provided a lot of positive feedback to us after having played on the data map for a number of hours across these test sessions. In general, the data map performs just as well or better compared to the alpha map, and the overall gameplay experience on the map has been very well received by testers. Most of their constructive criticism is in regard to balancing new content or making suggestions for certain locations which do not meet the minimum standard of quality that we aim to achieve across the map. Based on the testers' experience and feedback, most of the map team's effort over these past 3 months has been put toward iterating on a handful of locations, big and small, that deserved more attention. We have even created a few new structures where necessary. While that work has been ongoing, we have also been implementing and iterating upon new map loading systems, new gameplay features, new user interface styling, a variety of new outfits, 14 new firearms, and balanced passes to loot, combat, and other systems to improve the overall gameplay experience before the release. There are actually quite a few things we plan to include in the data map release that we have not shown off yet, and although we want to keep most of it a surprise, I am sorry for the lack of leaks lately, especially for the new firearms. I felt this announcement was necessary before we could continue posting leaks without confusing players, but now you should expect to see some cool developer leaks over the next few weeks. Data map technical upgrades and an update on streaming. In a previous community update we talked about needing to update Apoc 2 to use a Roblox feature called streaming. Currently, Apoc 2 uses a world/map loading system we call chunking. It's a custom system that we built way back when Apoc 2 first started development, and it was based on an iteration of Apoc 1's reborn world loading tech. Streaming was intended to replace the chunking system, modernizing a lot of the game's code base in the process. After a long period of research and development, we ran the first full server tests using the streaming build back in September of this year. While the streaming build ran better, albeit buggier, than the current chunking build, streaming presented a number of technical challenges that put more stress on our data map release plans than we were comfortable with. After further testing and considering some new Roblox server upgrades that make our chunking system more viable, it was decided that committing to streaming was not the best option for getting the data map released in a timely manner. Unfortunately, at this time, streaming is more of a bottleneck for getting the data map released than it is a necessity, despite a lot of the tech upgrades it offers. The past few months have been dedicated to salvaging the modernization work and feature improvements that had gone into the streaming build. Alongside this salvage/porting work, the lessons learned from researching and developing the streaming build have been used to create a brand new world chunking system. Your mileage may vary based on your computer, but most players should experience noticeably smoother FPS while playing, as well as further draw distances, thanks to the significant amount of optimization work being done on most of the game's models and structures. We hope to start doing public testing with parts of this new tech soon, and we plan to ship it with a data map in place of the streaming build. Streaming would have enabled us to simplify a number of game systems, freeing up resources for a variety of other unimplemented core features, like base building. However, the new chunking system was built with the intent to replace streaming, not just to upgrade the old chunking system. With that philosophy in mind, this new tech puts us in a much better position to start work on base building and a number of other exciting core features that have been a long time coming. We hope to have more information on where we're at with these features in a future community update post. Christmas is coming to the Alpha Map on December 12th. This year's Christmas event will include a couple of new outfits and cosmetics along with some minor tweaks and improvements to event locations. Similar to how we approached the latest Halloween event, we don't want to take too much time away from the final touches we are making to the data map and everything that will come with its release. We would also like to spend some time with our families over the holidays without too much stress. When the Christmas event ends in January, the Alpha Map will return to its grass state for the last time. Sometime in January we will post the video trailer for the data map, along with the final release date. Once again, thank you everyone for your patience.